In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can fix Fortnite not launching problem over on PC if you're having a trouble getting the game to open it. I'm going to show you a few potential solutions that might help you. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you can try and troubleshoot it yourself. To get started, move your mouse cursor, download Easy Anti-Cheat all the way to the bottom left of your screen and click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. Then go over to the disk drive where you have installed your Fortnite. I downloaded it in here. Then double click the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and it will show you these files. So double click the Easy Anti-Cheat application and then click yes on the pop-up, and then it will show you an Easy Anti-Cheat service setup. So click this and select game 217 and then click on repair servers. After that, click on finish. So go back to the drive that you installed Fortnite, double click on Fortnite game folder and double click on the binaries folder and double click on Win64 folder, and it will show you a lot of files that are associated with the game. So first write on Fortnite client Win64 shipping and then select properties. Go over to the compatibility section, and what you want to do next is check these two first. Check disable full screen optimization and then run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and click OK. You have to do the same for these other options too. So click right click and select properties, then go over to compatibility and take these two options. After that, try to launch the game. It should work fine and you will be able to play Fortnite. If it didn't fix your issue, then let's move to the next solution. So open up the File Explorer and navigate to the drive where you have downloaded Epic Games Launcher. And it will show you all of the files that are associated with your Epic Games Launcher. So what you want to do now is click on Epic Games Launcher and then right click and select properties and then go over to the compatibility section, and then make sure to check where it says run this program as an administrator and then click on apply, then OK, and then just simply restart your PC. After that, you can try to launch the game and hopefully it will work. And this is it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.